Sanibona Black South Africans, bantu abaphaphayo, abangalaleli, abadelelayo. uNkulunkulu uyanikeza abaprofethi, anikeze ibandla lakhe church ukuthi liniguide, anilaleli nina. Bese nalo-ke isonto lelo lilalela i-United Nations njengango 2020 lapho abefundisi basitshela ukuthi si-vaccinate, ba-advertise ama-vaccine. Mina ngakhula emasontweni ethu sibekwa izandla masicela ukuphila, azange kuthiwe siyothenga ama-Panado. Hhayi-ke sesisevangelini labantu aba-mature spiritually, ba-high up there. So they are so irrelevant that 70% of Zulus are starving, 64% Black South Africans are starving. But we've got church. So sinenkinga, isonto ngapha liyinkinga, ngapha umphakathi we-South Africa odelelayo, ophaphayo. Naphapha. Now iphelelepi-ke i-Dark City yenu. Iphelelepi. You know, nivele nisidlulisele lama message lilonke sesayithulela ngoba it's pointless to speak to Black South Africans. You guys are intentionally foolish. So there's nothing anyone can help you with because yabona nale inkinga esiyisafarayo under the ANC and their DA. Angithi ANC yayivele ifundwa abelungu, siyakwazi lokho. So now sebeziveze obala ngale GNU yabo. Zonke lezi inhlupheko esihluphekayo before GNU, during GNU, from 94 to date zibangwe ukuphapha nokwedelela kwama-Black South Africans. Hayi futhi manizodonswa kanje ama-feminists akubhede kakhulu lapho. So ama-feminist adonsa amadoda kanje. Bona amadoda amadala abefundisi bempurampura bevotela i-ANC ne-DA ezithi amadoda ashadane yini bathini indoda yalingana nomuntu wesimame endlini. Kodwa baphethe amabhayibheli lawo bantu labo. They are calling themselves Christians. 80% Black South Africans are Christians. They're busy buying from Somalian Muslims, therefore funding the murder massacres of Black Christians who are staying on the front lines next to Muslim countries. Angithi bona bawazi kangcono ama-Muslim than nina, my friend bene ensenibazi kangcono ukuthi ba-friendly. Where they are in power up there in Africa, Black Africans like us are suffering because of you, Black South Africans. You who are renting your amagceke into Somalians, you are murdering up there in Africa. You are murdering many Black Africans, particularly Christians. It is exactly your sin. Nama ngaba wazi because you chose to be ignorant. It is exactly your sin. Uwona ngokuthi udayisa country yakho, sell out Judas ndini, uwona nangokuthi you are murdering indirectly abantu le eAfrica who are being murdered by those Somalians and Muslims bakho, my friend bakho. You are the murderer because you are the enabler. Yaphapha. Mina uthando uthando olubulalayo. Luthanda abantu abazosibulala. Oh, wonderful. Uthando olubulalayo. OlikaNkulunkulu. Love saves. All right. Anyway, now idlulile ke angizange ngikhulume ngayo, besivele sazi ukuthi umbhedo leyanto yokuthi kuzocisha nani kwashacima. Laleli iBhayibheli liyakusho ku-Revelation ukuthi uJesu makebuya ilanga lizophathwa amahloni, inyanga izophathwa amahloni ngoba manje kuzobe sekuza ilathi yangempela, yabo leyo nto leyo. So vele angeke ukuthi kuza ibhoza yelanga laba abanye bakhanye, fanele bathobe and bazo-understanda abayi-understanda i-language. So mase kufike ingagari laba abanye bahlala phansi, yathola. So uJesu le ka-Dark City emhlabeni izokwenzeka uJesu maseke buya, yathola. But rapture this that bavakashelwa ingelosi. Mina ngikuphika ukuthi nivakashelwa ingelosi, but the reality is which angels. Angithi no Paul wasikhuza ukuthi singahambe silalela noma yini, ngisho noma ngabe isho ingelosi mangabe engahambisani nezwi likaNkulunkulu. uJesu uzawufika kanjani? Ngikhuluma ngama-rapture futhi niyayithanda pre-tribulation rapture Apparently it is the dogma mawuyikholwa fanele ukholelwe kuyi-pre-tribulation rapture. Okay, sengikhuluma ilanguage yesonto lapho senginishiyile nenabanye base-South Africa abaphaphayo balama-prophecy obumnyama what. But ukuphapha kwenu kwasisiza-ke anyway ngo-2020 thi ngincome lapho because nina-ke niphaphile yini enahlakaniphisa abantu ukuthi banga-vaccinate siyabonga. So asazi-ke amakholwa awe-vaccine ukuthi bathi ishone manje i-vaccine. Why i-COVID-7 yaphathwa mahlonyanya malala? All these things bazalwane. Hawu angithi thina phela immature yini immature kuma-spiritual dimension. Mina ngazi lutho nje ngazi nje the basics enkolweni bangamangalo abantu abathi they are led by the Holy Spirit bekhohliswa i-United Nations nge-COVID. Bazalwane. Le bengadingi nesiprofetho beyidinga i-wisdom kamoya ongcwele. That's all, you know. So but ke angithi nina vele ninama-double standard. Le ANC ni-defender up to ngoba vele okusalayo kwalamanyala awe-ANC avotelwa yini befundisi bo-bishop abakhulu. Yeah, with all your titles, you are the ones who voted for same-sex marriages. Sengavala ngokuthi it was for the freedom black man, freedom to sin. We were supposed to be freed from colonialism, which was the greatest evil, and the lesser evil, which is apartheid. Apartheid was a far lesser evil than colonialism. But angikhulumi nange-colonialism kuyakhombisa ukuthi idiye kudala enithengile nini. Anyway, but sengidlule ey'ntweni ey'ningi ngithi asiyibonanga i-Dark City kuyakhanya. Kuyakhanya. Hayi-ke ithi ngigcine khona la, but all I'm gonna say ukuthi uNkulunkulu babekile abaprofethi bakhe anibalaleli. uNkulunkulu unabantu abanikeza ama-interpretation awe-revelation kuze abanigayide kahle njengoba uPaul wayefundisa nebandla ukuthi izilandelana kanjani lezi zinto lezi, anibalaleli. So nithanda nje labantu abanomlayeza wezinto ey'thusayo nani ezisheshayo. Vele kuyeza okubi emhlabeni futhi akasikaboni. iBhayibheli liyakubabaza lobo bubi obuzayo ngo-Antichrist, u-666 lo odumo. So yena usefikile, ukhona u-Antichrist, don't worry, ukhona usefikile. I think mina kukhona engimbonayo ukuthi ngazathi uye but angeke ngimusho ne. But all I'm saying is nibolalela abaprofethi beqiniso bakaNkulunkulu, ningadayiveli ezinye izinto. Baxwayeke labafundisi yibo aba-common namasonto a-common lawa adumile-ke bandla anitshele ukuthi ni-vaccinate ngo-2020. Laba abantshele ukuthi ni-vaccinate ngo-2020 bangazange babe nenkinga bathi nilalela u-government, nihlale nibabeke be careful of these ones. All right, ngiyabonga.